Military operations are growing increasingly complex and hard to predict. This makes a completely new vehicle concept necessary, a concept that takes full account of the changes taking place on the 21st century battlefield, a concept that is radically different. They open a multitude of new possibilities for creating modular vehicle platforms. Modular to the core, next-level adaptability is one of Lynx KF-41's key features to facilitate mission success and meet specific national requirements. Scalable armament, various layers of protection, upgradable systems and the ability to be completely re-rolled within hours render the Lynx an unprecedented first-choice asset in vehicle-based defense. American Rheinmetall Vehicles is designing a new infantry fighting vehicle using Rheinmetall's Lynx KF-41 as the point of departure for their concept, which supports the U.S. Army's modernization efforts being pursued through the optionally manned fighting vehicle program. The fielding of a next-generation combat vehicle is a top priority for the U.S. Army. The Army's optionally manned fighting vehicle program must deliver an IFV with overwhelming close combat capabilities that's capable of operating in manned and unmanned modes. Rheinmetall's Lynx optionally manned fighting vehicle provides the most modern firepower, protection, mobility, and power generation capabilities available to ensure the Army can fight and win against any foe. Relying on the most innovative and forward-thinking approaches in the defense industry, the Lynx optionally manned fighting vehicle will offer the Army a next-generation IFV platform designed specifically to address future technology and battlefield challenges. American Rheinmetall Vehicles' Lynx offering will benefit from both the world-class combat vehicle engineering heritage found at Rheinmetall in Germany and the extensive customization and improvements made by Team Lynx in the US, led by American Rheinmetall Vehicles, LLC, in Sterling Heights, Michigan. Team Lynx consists of world leaders in defense technologies, Textron Systems, Raytheon Technologies, L3 Harris, Allison Transmission, and Anduril Industries. The Lynx optionally manned fighting vehicle reflects a close working relationship with the U.S. Army, as Team Lynx looks to not only deliver a revolutionary American-made infantry fighting vehicle, but to also bring new, advanced industrial capacity to the U.S. defense industrial base, while continuously building a truly customer-focused, highly communicative partnership with the U.S. Army.